Okay, Boo Boo, come on. Let's play. Can we play? Is that an elephant? Okay. Jordan, can you show Mama the little lion? Where's the little lion? What's wrong, Jordan? That is the little lion. Good job. Where's the giraffe? Can you show Mama the giraffe? Good job.
Good job.
Okay, can you show Mama the ducks? Can you show Mama the ducks? Good job. Can you show Mama the brown horse? Where's the brown horse? Good job. Where's the pink pig? Where's the pink pig, Jordan? Good job. Where's the zebra? Where's the zebra? Where's the black and white zebra? Good job. Where's the white sheep? Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Good job. Where's the hungry hippo? Where's the hippo? Good job. Where's the chicken? Can you show Mama the chicken? Good job. Can you show Mama the red barn? Where's the red barn? Good job, Jordan. Okay, we got a few left. Show Mama the elephant. Where's the elephant? Good job. Can you show Mama the goat? Where's the goat? Nope, that's a rhino. Show Mama the goat. Where's the goat? Good job, Jordan. Very good. Okay, last two. Show Mama the rhino. Where's the blue rhino? Can you show Mama the rhino? One more, Boo Boo. Good job. Thank you.